Hi, I'm Jimmy with New England Heat Pump Company. Today I want to talk to you guys about the Mass Save Heat Pump Program. Mass Save is a program made up of the local utility providers. So providers like Eversource or National Grid, if you're in Massachusetts, they provide this program. Their rebate program, there's two different types of rebates. There's a whole home rebate and a partial home rebate. So what is a partial home rebate? Partial home rebate, the dollar amount is going to be $1,125 per ton. So what does a ton mean? Ton is BTUs converted to AC size, which is ton. 12,000 BTUs converts to 1 ton in AC terms. So that's how we get there. So if the rebate's going to be $1,125 per ton, if we're installing a 12,000 BTU system, it's going to qualify for $1,125 up to $8,500. So really depends on the type of system that we do and how big it is, depending on how big that rebate gets. But they do offer up to $8,500. Then there's going to be a whole home rebate, which is going to be a fossil removal rebate. So what that means is if your house has an existing fossil system like a boiler, furnace that operates on either propane, natural gas, or oil, what they want us to do is remove that system or disconnect that system or disable it, install heat pumps to cover, the rules are 90 to 120% of that home with heat pumps to be able to heat it on a 0-degree day to 72 degrees, and you could qualify up to that $8,500. Again, it's the same tonnage conversion, how we would get to that dollar amount. So again, if it's a 12,000 BTU unit, it's going to get $1,125 and so on and so forth as we go up. We really have to look at that house to see if it's a good fit for, one of those rebates. It's definitely a good fit for a heat pump, but which one, right? We don't want to push you into a whole home rebate just to say that we got you a rebate. If in fact the partial home rebate's a better fit for your needs in your home, it really depends on the house and kind of what you're looking to do and the needs of that whole situation. Then Mass Save also offers on qualifying equipment a 0% 7-year loan. It's a great loan program. I get it for customers every day. It's qualifying on the same qualifications as the rebate. So if it's rebatable, it's loanable. So we have to hit those certain efficiency marks to be able to offer you the rebates. The same qualifications go for the loan. So I tell my customers, if it's rebatable, it's loanable. This is not low-income based. They don't look at income brackets. What it is basically debt to income and credit score, just like if you were to go get a car loan. Mass Save is not the bank. A lot of customers think that because they got approved from Mass Save for the loan, they're good to go and they send us that approval letter. Mass Save is approving you for their program. Then you choose a providing bank that they'll send you a letter with the providing bank. Then you go to the bank and start the loan process. So a little bit of a process there. Not bad. It's probably a couple of emails or a signature or two back and forth, but I would tell you 0% 7-year loan is well worth your time. We work with this system every day. We take rebates right up front from the contractor. So the customer never deals with any of the rebates. We handle everything in-house. So Mass Save is a great program. Can't say enough good about it.